Welcome. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how to use the newly added Tap to Pay feature on the Sage Accounting mobile app. Tap to Pay now allows customers to conveniently process contactless payments using their card or digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay through the Sage Accounting mobile app. This feature streamlines the payment process, ensures transactions are recorded automatically, saving time and reducing errors. Now, let's have a look on how to use the Tap to Pay feature. You can begin by creating a new sales invoice. You can also select an existing unpaid one. Access the Tap to Pay option by clicking on the plus sign. If a Tap to Pay location is not saved in your Stripe account, you will be asked to confirm an available location or to provide a new one by clicking on Add Address. The app will request location access if this is your first time using the feature. Enter the payment amount and select the Tap to Pay option. When prompted to pay, the customer can tap their card or hold their devices or digital wallets within 2 inches of your mobile phone. Finally, once payment has been successfully made, you can email the customer a copy of their receipt. Here are some key notes to be able to use the feature. A Stripe account must be linked to your Sage Accounting business. For more information on connecting your Sage Accounting to Stripe, please refer to the video Connect to Stripe linked in the video description. The location setting must be activated and the application must be granted access to location data. Android users must ensure that their devices run Android 11 or above, have the NFC setting enabled, and have Google mobile services. iOS users should have an iPhone XS or later and be running iOS 17.4 or later. In Canada, Tap to Pay may have a $250 limit for contactless payments. This limit can change depending on the bank or card, so check with the card issuer for more details. Congratulations! You now know about the Tap to Pay feature in Sage Accounting.